Welcome to our channel. Get ready to elevate your content with our top 8 coolest gadgets for content creators. From Amazon, cutting-edge cameras to game-changing editing tools, we've curated the ultimate list to supercharge your videos. Don't miss out on this epic journey of innovation and creativity. Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in together. 8. Insta360 Flow. DJI and GADGET dominate the smartphone gimbal space, but Insta360 knows action video forward, backward, and in hyperlapse. The Insta360 Flow gimbal, $159, sees the 360-degree action camera company expand beyond its core market into the phone space. The Flow relies on AI to help accurately track subjects when recording and goes head-to-head with models like the DJI Osmo Mobile 6, $159, and the GADGET Smooth 5S, $169, both of which offer similar feature sets at about the same price. Thanks to its excellent portability, ease of use, and smooth performance, the Insta360 Flow pulls ahead of its competitors to earn our Editor's Choice Award for smartphone gimbals. The Insta360 Flow comes in stone gray or summit white and is made of hard plastic. A rubber sleeve that fits over the handle gives you some extra grip while shooting. There are 2 joints, one in the middle and one near the phone holder, that rotate to open and close the gimbal. You need to give it a little pull to unfold it and gently push it in the opposite direction to fold it down. 7. Samsung 18 inches ring light. The Samsung 18 inches ring light is a versatile and powerful tool that has become an essential asset for content creators, photographers, makeup artists, and videographers alike. With its impressive size and adjustable features, this ring light provides optimal lighting conditions for a variety of purposes. The 18-inch diameter ensures ample coverage, casting a soft, even illumination that minimizes harsh shadows and reduces unflattering glare. Its color temperature and brightness are fully customizable, allowing users to achieve the perfect lighting setup for any situation. Whether you're shooting portraits, conducting live streams, or recording makeup tutorials, the Samsung 18 inches ring light delivers consistent, professional quality lighting that enhances the visual appeal of your content. Additionally, its sturdy construction and easy-to-use design make it a reliable and user-friendly choice for both beginners and experienced professionals. 6. Hollyland Lark N1 Wireless Lav Mic. Hollyland Lark N1 is a very compact set of wireless lavalier clip-on mics. It comes with a charging case and it's capable of broadcasting both microphone channels independently via stereo 3.5mm output. Both transmitters and the receiver are lightweight and minimalistic, yet provide all the vital features such as switchable noise reduction, stereo/mix output mode, volume boost, and LED status indicators. Extremely small footprint along with an attractive price tag almost makes you wonder if it is missing something, particularly in regards to audio quality. The Lark N1 is so small and compact, it's almost unreal. The nowadays popular Rode wireless Duo looks simply atrocious and bulky in comparison and provides no real benefit unless paired with an expensive aftermarket lavalier. Yes, Lark N1 transmitters also weighs almost nothing. You may forget you're wearing one. Don't be misled because it's actually very clean and surprisingly low in terms of self-noise. 5. Crucial X9 Pro. The Crucial X9 Pro starts at $89.99. $129.99 for 2 TB is tested, has most everything users might look for in an external SSD. A compact and lightweight frame that's also sturdy, capacities up to 4 TB, 256-bit hardware-based encryption, and good benchmark results. While the X9 Pro lacks the raw speed of the Editor's Choice-winning Crucial X10 Pro, which is geared to videographers and creative types, it doesn't require special hardware to get the most out of it, and it comes in at a lower price. That makes it a better choice for most users, and it earns its own Editor's Choice Award as a general-purpose solid-state drive. Measuring just 0.3 by 2.6 by 2 inches HUD and weighing a mere 1.5 ounces, the rectangular matte gray X9 Pro is made from anodized aluminum with a black, rubberized base. Its simple yet appealing design includes beveled corners, one of which has a hole through which you can string a lanyard. The drive's status LED indicator is also visible through the hole. A USB-C port resides in the middle of one of the X9 Pro's short ends, and a very short USB-C to USB-C cable is included. 4. Anker PowerCam C202K. The Anker PowerCam C202K is a cutting-edge webcam designed to elevate your video conferencing and content creation experience to new heights. Boasting a stunning 2K resolution, this webcam delivers crystal-clear video quality that ensures you always appear sharp and professional on screen. Whether you're hosting virtual meetings, recording YouTube videos, or live streaming on platforms like Twitch or Facebook, the PowerCom C202K ensures that every detail is captured with exceptional clarity and accuracy. Equipped with advanced autofocus technology, it automatically adjusts focus to keep you in sharp focus even as you move around. The wide-angle lens provides a broad field of view, perfect for accommodating multiple people in the frame or capturing more of your surroundings. Additionally, the webcam features built-in dual microphones with noise reduction technology, ensuring that your voice comes through loud and clear without any distracting background noise. With its sleek and compact design, the PowerCom C202K is easy to set up and transport, making it ideal for professionals who are constantly on the go. 3. Cryochron 9-in-1 Lens Kit. The Cryochron 9-in-1 Lens Kit is a versatile and comprehensive solution for smartphone photographers and videographers seeking to unlock the full potential of their mobile devices. With 9 different lenses included in the kit, users can effortlessly capture a wide range of creative shots with their smartphones. From stunning wide-angle landscapes to detailed macro close-ups, the kit offers lenses to suit every photography need. The lenses are crafted from high-quality materials and feature multi-layer coating to minimize glare and distortion, ensuring that images are crisp, clear, and true to life. Additionally, the kit includes accessories such as a universal clip-on attachment, lens caps, and a carrying case for convenient storage and transportation. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to enhance your Instagram feed or a professional seeking to expand your mobile photography capabilities, the Cryochron 9-in-1 Lens Kit provides all the tools you need to capture stunning images on the go. With its affordable price point and user-friendly design, it's the perfect companion for anyone looking to take their smartphone photography to the next level. 2. Lamnical 360 Rotating Ergonomic. The Lamnical 360 Rotating Ergonomic is an aluminum laptop stand that rotates on its centered cylindrical pillar, allowing the top half of the stand to rotate infinitely in either direction. We found this feature to be especially useful for group projects or meetings. The Lamnical has non-slip rubber pads on the base to keep it from moving around on your desk, as well as on top of the stand to keep the laptop itself in place. We like the center retaining tab, which leaves the sides of the laptop unobstructed while typing. If you're looking for extra storage on your desk, there's plenty of room underneath to stash small objects. Additionally, the Lamnical 360 Rotating Ergonomic Stand is relatively bulky and not a good choice for traveling. Despite these few shortcomings, we still feel the Lamnical is a great product, and we love that it rotates 360°. Another rotating option that impressed us is the foldable Kentivan, which also includes a side stand for your phone. 1. HP Power-Up Backpack. The HP Power-Up Backpack is a charging backpack with a few extra smarts. It has an impressive 24,000 mAh battery, the biggest capacity by far from all the great options on this list. It's compatible with most HP laptops for a full charge, but will be able to charge your smartphone up to 10 times and your tablet 3 times. All this charging power is expertly managed and organized through cable loops, compartments, and slots designed into the bag. It also comes with a built-in heat sensor. This smart backpack has the ability to sense the temperature within the backpack and adjusts accordingly through built-in side vents. It's made with heavy-duty canvas with interior padding and durable straps to provide long-lasting protection for all the gadgets you have inside. It has a water-resistant coating and in the event of heavier rain, comes with its own rain cover. All this functionality is encased in a stylish design fit for work and play. Thanks for tuning into our top 8 coolest gadgets for content creators. We hope you found the perfect tools to enhance your creative journey. Stay tuned for more exciting content and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to never miss an update. Keep creating, keep innovating, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy content creating.